Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel. Today I will show you how I make my Shahi Garam Masala powder at home. The proportion of spices used here enhances the taste of my curries, so I take them in this proportion. I take 10 grams of green cardamom or choti ilaichi, 2 mace or javitri, 1 nutmeg or jaifal, 10 grams of cinnamon sticks or dalchini, 2 black cardamoms or bari ilaichi, 1 star anise or chakri fool, and 15 grams of cloves or long. So I take them in a iron karhai. You can take a heavy based pan. We have to dry roast the spices on medium flame until the earthly aroma of the spices are released, as well as the color of the spices changes a bit. Make sure not to over toast the spices, else they will burn off. Now take them off on a plate and let them cool off. Now next step, we have to grind them into a fine powder. So you can take the help of a mortar pestle as well, but I am grinding it in a high speed mixie jar. So you can see my Shahi Garam Masala powder is ready. You can use it in mutton curries, your vegetable curries. And this garam masala powder can be stored in a glass jar preferably. It stays fresh for longer period of time that ways. Generally this amount of garam masala powder lasts around 1 to 1.5 months in my home. So you can use it as well. Make the garam masala powder at your home and use it in your curries, and do let me know how you find the taste of the curries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.